What is 0.125% as a fraction in simplest form? Look, you can rewrite this 0.375 percent means 1 over 100. Now multiply divided by 100. Look, 10 to the power 2 means 100, so 100 is a power of 10. To divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros in the 100 in the 100 in the power of 10, 100. So we have two zeros, so decimal point will move from right to left two places, one place, two place. So we are getting, here you have to place a placeholder 0. So we are getting this. You can also add a 0 to mean that this number is less than 1. Now we need to convert this decimal to fraction. How to do that? We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just skip the decimal, write the number you are getting. After skipping decimal, we are getting this. This 30 don't have any value. For denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write 5, 10 as a multiplication, of course. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we need to reduce this fraction. For reducing this fraction in one step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or divisor. But if you want to solve this, simplify this fraction in multi steps, then just divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. So this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. If you divide this 375 by 5, what you will get? 7, 5 goes into 37 how many times? 7 times, 7 times 5, 35. Subtract 2, bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25, 75. Again, this is divisible by 5 and this is divisible by 5. If you divide this 10 by 5, you will get 2. If you divide this 75 by 5, you will get what? 5 goes into 7. 1 times 5, 5. Subtract 2, 5 goes into 25, 5 times. That is 15. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. You will get 2, you will get 3. 3 is a prime number. It has only two factor, 1 and that is it itself. So 3 over 2 times 2 times 2, 4, 8. 8 times 10 times 10. So multiply this 1 times 1, 1, add zeros, 8. So 8 times 1, 8, 0, 0. As 3 is a prime number, so the common factor between 3 and 800 is just 1. So this is the fraction with simplest form or lowest term or reduced form.